I'm going to answer your top essential oil questions so you can get the most out of your oils. Hi guys, it's Retha here again from Plant Therapy. Today I'm talking about everything you need to know when diffusing essential oils. This video is number 6 in our series of top essential oil questions, so make sure to check out the rest of our videos for more info. Let's get started. Diffusing essential oils is one of the most effective ways to get all the benefits of your oils. Diffusing can help boost your mood, feel more energized, reduce worry, help you sleep, let you focus, help you unwind, and tons more. You might even just diffuse to get rid of stinky smells. Plus, unlike over-the-counter meds, you can diffuse essential oils at night, throughout the night, so you can keep giving your body the benefits of their goodness. I'm going to tell you all my favorite tips for diffusing, but first, we need to talk about the best diffusing practices. How long should you diffuse essential oils? Well, that depends. If I'm trying to clean the air, I like to diffuse for a few hours. If I'm looking to boost my mood or help with immediate symptoms of a cold, I diffuse for about 30 to 60 minutes. This is all the time your body needs to get the benefits of breathing in the diffused oils. The number of drops you need depends on how much water the unit holds. So, a bigger tank equals more drops, at least most of the time. When you're diffusing all day or all night, it's best to use a diffuser with an intermittent setting. I like to do 30 minutes on and 30 minutes off. That way, I can get all the benefits without overwhelming my body or getting scent blindness. And of course, it goes without saying, but always use your diffuser the way it was meant to be used. Follow the instructions from the manufacturer. For example, to avoid clogging up a diffuser, make sure you're using the correct water and cleaning the diffuser as often as they recommend. So, what exactly is scent blindness? Well, essential oils stimulate your olfactory nerves, which send signals to your brain, which is why oils can affect your mood almost instantly. For more info on this, check out video number 3. But that instant effect means that diffusing for long periods of time is a waste of oils. Basically, after 60 minutes, your nose goes into what we call scent blindness, which means you might not even be able to smell them anymore. What a waste. It's also important to note that there are some things that can impact your diffusion times. Large open floor plans or open doors mean you might need a few extra drops. Fans, air conditioning, or heaters can negatively impact scents. Basically, just be aware of your environment when you're looking to diffuse at home. Also, keep in mind that some oils will evaporate faster than others. There are 3 main kinds of scents: top notes, middle notes, and base notes. Top notes like citrus evaporate more quickly than middle notes like lavender or chamomile. And base notes like sandalwood take much longer and slow down the evaporation of middle notes. And here's a quick pro tip. If you're creating your own blends, be sure to use oils from each category. Thanks for watching and learning all about diffusion with me. Be sure to check out our next video in this series and go watch the previous ones too. And if I didn't quite answer all of your questions, feel free to contact Plant Therapy's aromatherapist or just leave a comment below. See you in video number 7.